Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're hitting a solid back and bicep session. Kept it simple, heavy, and effective. Let's jump right in. Always start with a 5-minute warm-up. Just basic arm swing exercises to get blood flowing into the shoulders and back before lifting heavy. First up, body weight pull-ups. Full transparency, I couldn't knock these out easily today. I had to take my time and move slowly, but I ground through to finish all 3 sets of 10. Moving to seated cable rows for 3 sets of 12. Coming straight off pull-ups, the pump in my lats was already insane here. Focus on squeezing at the back. Next, single arm dumbbell rows, 3 sets of 12 reps each side. Great for fixing imbalances and getting a full stretch at the bottom. Finishing back with weighted back extensions, 3 sets of 12 while holding a plate. My lower back was absolutely on fire by the end of these. incline dumbbell curls for 3 sets of 12. That stretch on the biceps is brutal. The last set was completely burning. Wrapped up with 3 sets of 12 dumbbell hammer curls for forearm and bicep thickness. Then finished off with 3 sets of 12 easy barbell curls to burn out whatever energy was left. That's the workout. Simple, effective, and guaranteed to leave you pumped. Thanks for watching. Hit like if you enjoyed, and see you next time.